Do it. My best advice in estate planning is get your estate plan done. Whether you own a lot of your assets in LLC or corporations, there's always things in estate planning that people have missed. If you go through a proper estate planning process, you won't miss the items that tend to cause the problems later. A lot of people think that if they're well planned and they're business people, businessmen and women, well planned, that, you know, they have LLCs, they have corporations, they've dealt with an attorney. And so, of course, you know, they're dotting their I's and crossing their T's all the time. Well, with estate planning, it involves so much more than that. It's not just your business assets, it's your personal assets. And oftentimes, if you're not doing estate planning, you're not in the habit of just going through the assets that you may collect or change over the years. And if, gosh forbid, something happens, those assets are going to go to probate. Maybe your directives, your medical directives are not taken care of. So you have, goodness gracious, somebody handling your medical decisions that you is maybe not a relevant person in your life anymore. There are all kinds of issues and things, bad things that can happen for failure to have an estate plan. And it really is not a painful process. I mean, the whole process is like an hour, perhaps. I mean, you would come into the office, you're given a list. It's meant to jar your memory on the things that you have. It's meant to ask you questions about your children, about your medical directives, about your funeral, things that you would like to have happen, or distributions to be made. The attorney gets it. We go through, prepare the document for you. You come back in a week, 2 weeks later, sign it, get it witnessed, and there you go. And you have peace of mind. I think the biggest trouble for most people is they don't like to have the conversation about death. But I mean, you plan for your taxes, I'm sure, every year. You can plan for the end too, right?